To avoid future payment blocks on iCloud, it's essential to ensure that your payment information is accurate and up to date. Follow these simple steps to help prevent any issues. Step 1. Check payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update billing address. Ensure that the billing address associated with your payment method matches the address on file with your bank or credit card company. Any discrepancies can lead to payment blocks. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. This adds an extra layer of security and can help prevent unauthorized access to your account, which may lead to payment issues. Step 4. Monitor account activity. Regularly check your account for any unusual activity or unauthorized charges. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Apple Support immediately. Step 5. Contact Apple Support. If you continue to experience payment blocks, reach out to Apple Support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and provide guidance on how to resolve it. By following these steps, you can minimize the chances of facing payment blocks on your iCloud account in the future. Stay proactive and keep your account information updated.